How to freeze your credit reports. Freezing your credit is one of the smartest moves you can make to protect your identity. It's like putting a high-end padlock on your financial history. A thief can't open new accounts in your name because lenders won't be able to pull your report. If a lender can't see your report, they won't approve a new credit card or loan in your name. It is 100% free by federal law. 1. Gather your info. Each agency will likely ask for your full legal name, your social security number, date of birth, and current and past addresses, usually the last 2 years. And security questions. Be ready to answer questions like which of these cars have you owned or what was your monthly mortgage in 2018. And 2. Contact Equifax. Go to equifax.com/personal/credit-report-services or call 1-800-349-9960. You will need to create a My Equifax account to manage your freeze online. 3. Contact Experian. Go to Experian.com/freeze or call 1-888-397-3742. Experian often provides a PIN. Do not lose this PIN. You will need it later if you want to thaw or unfreeze your credit. 4. Contact Transunion. Go to transunion.com/credit-freeze or call 1-888-909-8872. TransUnion also offers a credit lock service, but stick to the security freeze. The freeze is the one protected by federal law. 5. Secure your PINs. If you apply for a loan, you must thaw or lift the freeze. Agencies are required to lift the freeze within 1 hour of an online or phone request. Keep your PINs and login credentials in a secure place, like a password manager. And a final check. Freeze all 3. It doesn't hurt your score. And check your reports annually for errors at annualcreditreport.com. Do it now. Your future self will thank you.